Looks like they're in the middle stage. In the black shirt, gray shorts, Felix Gonzalez blasting through the rings. He's going to be our first athlete to make it to the barbell, but he's followed closely down here by Flip Beagle. Down here, one of the first off, sporting the box class shirt. But it looks like Felix is going